I'm going to show you another way in which we can create video controls using FLV playback without having all of the controls present. So, in other words, there are a number of other ways inside Flash where we can create the same functionality using components which are already built for us inside Flash. And what I'm going to do is start by selecting the video, and I'm going to scroll down and select the skin. I'm just going to change that and go to none and select OK. So my controls have basically disappeared, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up, go to Window, and I want you to go to your component inspector, components. Once you've got your components open, you'll see that you've got a number of components for the UI, which are the user interface components that are mainly concerned with the interface, and we've also got a set of video components. So if I click the plus button, you can see we've got a number of different components. What I want you to do is I want you to work with the play and pause button, which will able to give us the functionality of toggling between play and pause. So go ahead and drag that out onto the stage, and you'll see that it's appeared in your library of skins, which is fine. And the second thing we want to work with is the seek bar. The two basic things I want to work with. And we can go ahead and close the component inspector, and we just align these up like so, and take that and line that up like so as well. Move that down a bit. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is we can talk to these components to the video through ActionScript 3.0, and this is what I'm going to show you how to do. First thing we need to do is in order for us to communicate with the play and the seek to the video, we first need to give the video an instance name, and we need to do this by selecting the video. Let's type in vid, and we need to give the play as well, so I'll just say play underscore pause, and the seek I'll just say timer. Now the next thing we need to do is set another layer, and we need to write the code for this to communicate with our video. So if you select another layer and go to Window, go to Actions, I'm just going to type up the code that you'll require. You need the instance name of the video, which is vid, and you say play pause button equals instance name play pause underscore pause semicolon, and again the same for the seek bar equals timer, like so. And I can close that, and now if I control enter test my movie, you'll see I can play pause and that works, and the seek bar works as well. So that's quite an interesting and a nice way. Another really cool feature of this is if you double click, again you have total control over the play pause button as well. So I can go ahead and just change that if I wanted to. Instead of white to red, and you'll see. So if I control enter test my movie, you can see that the pause, the play, and the play button triangle is now red. It's quite cool, a nifty way of getting around components and using simple components like so.